This is Jacalito, a small village in Choluteca. In this place, our church has served and walked with the poor who have been stigmatized. Also, through the Casa Hogar Vida project, families in extreme poverty have been helped with houses, with an orphanage where abandoned children have found a home, and a missionary house, a place where missionaries are accommodated while serving the communities. Jacalito belongs to the Namasihue County, which has a population of 30,000 people. Most of the people in Jacalito can read or write. Many of them are gardeners, bricklayers, maids, street vendors, shoemakers, tortilla vendors, etc. One of the greatest needs that these people have is access to healthcare and medications to help them when they get sick. Some of them are so poor that they don't have the necessary resources to be able to travel downtown to be treated and buy medicines. On the other hand, the regional hospital located in our city is over capacity and lacks the necessary supplies to care for the high demand of patients. It is a place where the poor are not cared for with dignity, and many times they are even rejected. When they go to the regional hospital, oftentimes they are left to sleep in the corridors or on the benches waiting to receive some sort of attention. Some people prefer to stay at home and go through the pain of illness laying on their own beds. It is a place that lacks support and hope for the majority of patients. Faced with this great need and seeing the pain these families go through for not having the resources to opt for a better healthcare provider and buy medicines, we believe that God is calling us to do something. God is calling us to serve the poorest of the poor by providing healthcare for them. This is how the idea of Total Health Clinic was born, a clinic located in the village of Jacalito, where the poor can have access to dignified care and medicines to help treat their illnesses. We are dreaming that at the Total Health Clinic people can find medications to improve their health, but also a place where emotional and spiritual support is provided for, a place where they can hear about Jesus. We are dreaming that Total Health Clinic can be a great blessing for our city, a clinic where not only the people of the village of Jacalito can be cared for, but also people from all over the city who do not have access to medicines or healthcare. We're planning to serve an average of 36 patients per day. The appointment at the Total Health Clinic includes consultation with the doctor and the patient's medications. They will pay just a symbolic fee. Our desire is for the poor to be treated with dignity. We want the weakest to be able to be heard and cared for as well. We are praying to God that He will continue to provide the means to build the clinic. We believe that great things happen when our generosity meets with God's faithfulness. We have seen God act in the past, and we believe that He will do it again.